Now then, geezers and geezettes, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we're going to be looking at dyeing wood with hair colour. We're going to be using Crazy Colour by Rainbow. Get your 3 scrap bits of wood. I'm just using palette wood here because it's nice and easy and cheap to use, isn't it? The first colour we've got on is Fire Red. We'll start by making sure we've got plenty of it on the wood. We want to be, it's the first coat, so we know that it is going to be absorbing most of the colour. So making sure that we're banging plenty of this on. Don't be skimpish. It's only a couple of quid a bottle. Do you know what I mean? Who cares? Just bang as much of it on as you can. Work it right into them gaps, making sure we're not leaving any exposed areas. Don't have to be too neat. You can wipe the excess off at the end once it's dried. There you go, look at that. Oh, we got a squirter. The Lilac is a funny one because what the Lilac one does is neutralises the yellows in the wood. So instead of the wood coming out with like yellow bits and stuff like that, it does give it a white look, which makes it look a bit like a sun bleach. And that's perfect for things. Oh, is that a pube? Perfect for things like shabby chic and stuff like that. Last and not least, we've got the emerald green. This one's a little cheeky favourite of mine. I love it because it comes out loads of multi-tones. You've got loads of stuff going on in the wood, which makes it interesting for you, things like your tabletops or stuff like that. And there it is. There's your first coats that are on there. I'll let that to sit for about 20-25 minutes. There's no rush. I'm not going anywhere. Do you know what I mean? After that, we'll wipe some of the excess off, just to make sure that where we're looking at to attack for the second coat. And there it is, it started already. You can see it there, the different tones that you've got coming out. And last and not least is the shabby chic little baby. Look at that one. You can see the whites, it's looking a bit whitey and stuff like that. Once the top coat's on, that'll look nice. Oh, fly! Dodgy little. What we're doing now is we're giving it the lacquer clear coat. We're giving it the clear coat. Make sure we're giving plenty of thin coats on this one, guys. Don't go too heavy too soon. You'll find you get runs and it won't look as good. So plenty of thin coats will make it bounce and jump, and it'll ping out. It'll pop right out, the colours will. And there's my favourite. Look at it. Looks like an alligator. Ooh, alligator. Really nice, that one. Plenty of multi-tone going on. The reds haven't come out as nice as I'd like, but I think I could have burnt a bit of that just to make some of the grain come out a little bit more. And last and not least, we've got the old shabby chic one. Right then, like, share, subscribe. If you want to support the channel, guys, feel free to do so. There will be a link in the comments to buy me a coffee. Everything that you give will be much appreciated. All the best. See you. Bye, 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 bye.